Good morning, welcome to Greenwood Bonsai Studio, almost Greenwood Bonsai Studio. I'm on location today at a customer's garden. He's been doing bonsai for about 4 or 5 years and he's managed to buy quite a few nice specimens from us at Greenwood Bonsai Studio, and every so often I'll nip over and give him any assistance he needs with his trees. And today I'm just doing a little bit of a mid-season prune on a couple of trident maples, and a couple of these trees are featured in past videos if you want to check them out. The first one we're addressing is this exposed root trident maple. We cut it fairly hard back in a video a few months back. It's grown this spring, it's just been let to grow untrimmed. So now I'm just going to go in and take some of this longer shoots back. We're trying to chase this tree in a little bit more, make it more compact. It's getting a little bit leggy in this upper section. If you look, as I'm doing this, just trying to taper this top canopy in, trimming back to existing buds and foliage up in this upper section, just here, a little bit just here. Taking it back to buds that are further back, trying to control this growth. Very vigorous, the trident maples in the upper section, so you have to be quite tight on them to get them into shape. Little bit of pruning like this. Bit less so when we come further down the tree. We don't have to be quite so harsh with it. Just a matter of nipping these tips out a little bit more, just to encourage back budding and better ramification. A little bit in here. So where we've got buds further back, just nipping back into here. Look, this is a bit long at the front of the tree, so there's a few sections there. We can see where it's back budded to. Give that a trim back into here. This is just coming forward a little bit too much. That one there is a bit leggy. Same with this section just here. This one's growing up too much. Round on this side, similar sort of thing. Try and taper this top in. We've done this side, so when we come round here, a little bit more tapering in this section here. This one's a bit long. This extension. This is a bit long in here. Let's just take that back to there. Down on this right hand side, this is going up a little bit too much. This is just a little bit long. See what that looks like. This piece here is a little bit long, this section, but just a quick 5-minute prune at this time of year, just to bring those under control. Just a few little wispy bits, a little bit just here. This bit's growing up a bit much just here. This one here, just to get a bit of definition through these branches, like that. About done with that. We'll lift this one over out of the way. I'll get another one up to show you, and this next one I'm going to show you, that's been featured in a video a couple of years ago. It's really coming on well, really well branched, so I'll do that one next. So this is the second tree I'm working on today. Another trident maple, very large specimen trident maple, and if you click on the link on the screen now, there's a link to the video that we did of this tree. It had come in from a customer and it had its ups and downs, and it had lost a few branches in recent years. And when it first came into us, it had got a lot of growth on the lower section of the tree and quite a lot of growth on the top of the tree, but it had lost a couple of branches in this mid section. So what we're trying to do with this tree over the last couple of years is to try and redistribute the growth. So obviously this long growth at the top that it's put out, this can now start to be reduced back to get a better shape and canopy on this upper section. That's fairly standard. This lower section, some of the strong growth, again we can do the same, we can reduce that back. We've got some areas here where it's just a little bit leggy, we can chase it back to more compact growth, and that's the main process we're trying to do with this tree. But also, like sort of halfway up the tree here, we've got new growth on this branch, but we're wanting this to extend and to fill out, because this is the area of the tree where we didn't have so much going on. And we just try and take this bit out at the top, this section here, this is a bit lumpy here, a little bit up here, this is growing up too much here, take that back to a further bud. Same with here, there's a little bud further back, and here, this bit here. And some of these tips where it's getting a bit heavy, just chasing it back. This is nice on this side. If we finish this here, we come down on this side, take out this bit. There's a branch in here that's crossing over, it's coming off this foliage pad and drifting across, so that wants to come out. These here going up a little bit too much. This is quite nice just here, that's a little bit too long. This section here, of course, quite obviously wants to come back. Bit of a heavy section in here, just take that tip out. Same with this bit into here, like so. And up here, this is a bit heavy. Always cutting back to more delicate, fine growth, getting rid of heavy growth, static growth, straight, thick growth, bits that are growing up too much, twigs that are crossing over. I mean, the main structural pruning for this tree, we're doing the winter months when we can see its structure, but we can do a little bit now. It might just be a little bit harder if you're new to bonsai to see the structure, but you can always home in on that a little bit more in the winter months when you can see a bit clearer what we're looking at. So this right hand side now is in pretty good shape. This one here is a little bit too long. We've taken it back once already, just shorten that back a little bit more into here. Some of these leaves, there's the odd leaf that's quite large, so it doesn't harm, you know, if they bother you. We're not going to totally defoliate the tree, but a little bit of selective pruning to take some of those larger leaves off, and that's a good time of year to do that. Go back round here and just shorten this bit back here. This piece. Going up a bit too much. This is a bit tough. This is a bit of an ugly branch, very straight with no taper, a little bit of growth at the tip. That's not very nice. Structure up, so I'll just take that off. Same in here. That tip can come back into here. This lower section, a little bit of growth. And it's back budded ever so well with this tree. It's got a lot more vigour than when it first came into us. The new owner's been feeding it, watering it, really looking after it well. So it's doing really well. So it's had a few years of little bit of neglect, and it's well over that now, and it's well on its way to recovery. I think another year with a bit of selective pruning and looking after it, and we'll be back to where we need to be with it. This branch here is a little bit leggy in here, the tip of this. I think I'm going to shorten it back into this section. I don't want it to be too long at the front of the tree. Same with this bit here, just back into there, and this one here. I think collectively they were all a little bit too long. Obviously I'm now looking from the side of the tree, and they were the same length as these here, so now they're tapering a little bit more. Just a few more bits to do round at the back, which won't be that noticeable to you. But there's a few little shoots that just need a bit of attention. And now we've got just a mid-season prune on a trident maple. We get a lot of growth on them here in the UK, not as much as you will do if you live in a warmer climate. We probably trim them a couple of times a year like this during the growing season. This has had a moderate prune prior to me coming and trimming it here today. I'm just picking up on bits that have been missed and just new growth that needed dealing with. Don't forget to have a look back on the previous video of this, and you'll see how it's evolved in the last couple of years. And I'm going to leave you now with just a video montage of this collection of bonsai that was taken just a couple of months ago, just to show you some of the trees and just enjoy the peace and tranquility that the owner has created in their garden. Thank you very much.